classical Chinese zen with props of the feather fans, lotus flowers, and also long ribbon to further cultural exchange with other artistic groups from all over the world. And Chinese Youth Goodwill Mission has legendary history in performing arts and also cultural diplomacy in Taiwan. And ladies and gentlemen, initiated in 1974, CYGM, then the only group before lifting of martial law, specialized in presenting traditional folk cultural dance, music, and other performing arts. They will present different aspects of classical movement, showcasing Taiwanese interpretation of the classical dance originated from ancient China. And there are three performances. Those are Welcome Feather Fans atau Tarik Kipas. And the second one is Colorful Long Ribbon atau Tarik Pita, ya, pita panjang. And the third one, Lotus Fairy atau Peri Lotus. And this classical Chinese style masterpiece demonstrates a poetic and picturesque landscape, fusing nostalgic dancing, body shadowing, river water waving, and ancient mode music. It spotlights those lily-like dancers, subtle movements, and visual gestures, reflecting from China's thundering aesthetics with splendid choreography, featuring feather fanning, the prosperity and heavenly peace of the society. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chinese Youth Goodwill Association from Taiwan. Enjoy the performance. Enjoy the